birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dad. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Happy birthday.
Little thing we got you.
Does it rattle?
Kinda, sorta. Smaller than a bread box.
Here's the card, okay.
Hit the
Open
mic
up.
button, Dee. Make sure you have it on.
Every time I do that,
What do you do that for?
there we go. Happy
So you
birthday.
brought the video camera up here for a reason.
And happy Father's Day too. Since we won't be here.
Alright. I wanted to get you a really exciting Father's Day answer. I got her to take your bones and Hey!
Don't try this at home.
That's cute.
Isn't that, oh.
It may hold me.
I don't know.
Okay. Now we're going to try.
Oh, Janet, get in the picture. What is
Must be
this?
a tennis ball.
Actually, we thought about that. We figured you already had some.
Alright.
Uh-huh. I can see. Sorry about that.
No, no.
I taped it.
I'll be damned if I can find that those sheets. I don't know what happened to those sheets.
Hey!
Oh,
Look at that.
Yay.
let me see.
I don't know.
Isn't that
Wow.
nice? That's nice.
Good.
Do you need a wallet, we hope?
Yeah. That's good. It's got pictures in it.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll
Okay.
get one of the Harley Davidson ones.
That's okay.
Nice.
Very nice.
I don't know.
That's
Say
it.
goodbye. Yay.
That's it.
Wave. Bye, John. Bye.
Okay, thank you, John. Steve.
Sure.
That was a problem. Yeah, but it was a mug.
Ah,